to kill himself, we're not going to have any part of it. So clearly that didn't work. These guys just run reckless. Problem is, we'll stop them, arrest them, and they'll be out before we get done with the paperwork. So what he did here in Florida is a second-degree felony. Doesn't meet our pursuit policy, so we're not going to chase him. It's not worth it for us to endanger somebody else for his reckless behavior. So we're just going to go the other way, and if he wants to go kill himself on some other road, we're not going to be any part of it.
What's your racing each other?
All right, you heard it there from Deputy Whitson. Before we go to Toledo, Ohio, remember the guy with the flak jacket and the BB gun there? He was released with no charges. Now let's go live again to Toledo. Detective Tyberski and Klump on a traffic stop.
Slow down now. Why are you driving so fast?
Why are you driving so fast?
I got a newborn now.
Oh,
I'm trying to get literally 1 week old.
I got you.
I'm just trying to get home.
Okay. You bail and everything like that?
I think so. I don't know.
You don't know?
Not 100% sure. Can I be 100%?
Yeah.
I'll be 100%. I think I got a warrant.
For what?
I'm not exactly sure what
Is this something you gotta go to jail for? I'll run real quick. You wanna deal with him?
It's over a year old.
Okay. You got any weapons or anything on you?
No.
Alright, come on out here. Nothing in the car? Alright, I'm just gonna pat you down.
Where were you guys coming out of?
Driving.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah. You were flying, man.
Yeah, man, I literally just told my girl I'm trying to get home.
Well,
See, I got the car seat and shit. My baby was born last Friday. I'm just trying to get back there. We're off 9, sleeping off 9, 2-hour shift, shit like that.
yeah. What if you get an accident? You ain't making it home at all, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm doing it. I was just telling her too, like something stupid. I'm like,
Yeah, you gotta slow down, bro.
something stupid like this. Knowing I have that, I shouldn't have been driving.
What's the warrant for?
It was like a possession. I don't know how exactly what it was because I've never been. I already got arrested one time for it.
For dope or something?
No, it was. I had 2 Adderalls, which I was prescribed to.
Okay.
I own my own respiration business at that time. It was like a year and a half ago, April of last year type of shit. And I had 2 different cars. I had my work truck and my other shit. I had a prescription. I had basically a pill bottle with no
label on it?
Yeah, exactly. And
Okay.
I've never been. I was arrested up here on some other shit. They never came to pick me up, extradite me. So I got let out. I never have gone down there to turn myself in because I never got a court date until I get arrested on it.
Alright.
If that makes sense.
You have something in your mouth?
No.
What's your tooth? Okay. So you think it was for some Adderall?
Oh, I know. Yeah, I
Okay.
know.
Alright.
You can cuss me now.
Alright.
We gotta verify that they're gonna want you on it.
Okay.
Where's
That's what
it
happened
at?
last time. I got arrested on it.
Where's it out of?
Love Ryan.
Oh.
What do you mean? So did they want you then?
Yeah, but then they never came.
They never came and got him, it sounds like.
I never had a court date out of it.